So it's full time here at Park Avenue. It's Aberystwyth Town 4, Rhyl 0. I'm here with a line I never thought I'd say: goalkeeping hero and goal scorer Chris Mullock. Chris, can you quite believe what happened tonight?
No. First goal I've ever scored, and to be honest, I've just seen the keeper off his line. He's the wind is swirling as well, so I just thought I'll take a chance and see what happens, and luckily the wind took it, and it's gone in. Yeah.
Traditionally, as goalkeepers, you tend to be quite close-knit community as well. Is there any guilt, or are you just happy to score the goal?
A bit of both, yeah. I mean, it's nice to get the lads up and going. So I think we kicked on from there, but it's also not nice to do it to someone who's also a keeper as well. So I know I've been chipped before. It's not nice. And
you'll forever go down in history as the first ever goal scorer on this new pitch. How does that feel?
Weird, yeah, weird. It's just a feeling I can't describe. It's probably not sunk in just yet, but no, it's always nice.
And what you usually do is, as a goalkeeper, another clean sheet for you today. That must be a great record for you as well.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, I'd take clean sheets over goals any day. I think if it's offered me, clean sheets got to be.
And we're looking ahead now. We've got Llandudno and we've got a couple of run games here now at Park Avenue. How was the lads looking before ahead of that running games?
Oh, they're buzzing. You can see the chemistry we've got here is great, and it's a great bunch of lads as well. We've got the quality. We've shown that tonight, and hopefully now we can kick on and go get some more results.
Chris, many congratulations on one done clean sheet and the goal.
Cheers.